YouTube? Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ciao, benvenuto nel mio canale YouTube. Seja bem-vindo ao meu canal no YouTube. Today we will prepare an effective mask for wrinkles. The mask tightens pores on the face, protects the skin, treats acne, smooths wrinkles, and rejuvenates the skin. Take aloe gel, grind it in a coffee grinder and put it in a bowl. Aloe gels tighten the skin, treat sagging skin, and work effectively against wrinkles. Put a teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin deeply moisturizes the skin and keeps the skin moist. Now add another teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch. Starch protects the skin, reduces wrinkles, and gives the face a Botox effect. Now add 4-5 drops of vitamin E to our mask to make it more effective. 4-5. Vitamin E is a skincare liquid that works well against wrinkles on the skin, and vitamin E is the most essential liquid for our skin. Mix the mask well until it forms a uniform mass. Apply the mask to a clean face. Wait 15 minutes. Rinse with water at room temperature and apply nourishing cream. Use 3 to 4 times a week. Course for months. I hope this video was useful to you. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be very glad and will be waiting for you in the comments. This is very important to me. Goodbye. See you in the new video. Keep following us on this channel, Korean face masks.